City bus.
Look, it's a city bus. This bus is big and bright, taking lots of people around the busy city. It stops at bus stations to drop people off at work, school, or even the playground. Can you imagine sitting by the window and watching the city zoom by? Let's hop on and take a ride.
Electric trains.
Wow, electric trains are so fast and super quiet. They run on electricity, which is great for the environment. Imagine zooming through tunnels and over bridges without making much noise. Who wants to ride one and see the world whiz by in a flash?
Streetcars.
Streetcars are like little trains that ride on the streets. They ding their bells as they move, taking people to shops, parks, and fun places downtown. Can you hear the bell? Ding ding! Let's pretend we're the driver.
Taxi cabs.
Yellow taxi cabs are everywhere in big cities like New York. They're super quick and always ready to take you where you need to go. Imagine waving your hand and the taxi stops just for you. Where would you want to go in your own taxi ride?
Articulated bus.
Wow, look at this long bus. The articulated bus has a special bendy part in the middle so it can turn corners easily. It's like two buses stuck together. It's perfect for carrying lots of people on busy city streets. Wouldn't it be fun to sit in the bendy part?
Airplane.
Get ready to fly high in the sky with an airplane. These big planes can take us to faraway places, even to different countries. Imagine looking out the window and seeing the clouds below you. What's the first thing you do when you land in a new place?
Fire ladder truck.
Here comes the fire ladder truck, flashing its bright red lights. Firefighters use its super long ladder to rescue people and put out fires in tall buildings. Imagine climbing that ladder all the way to the top. Would you be brave enough to help save the day?
Bullet train transporter.
The bullet train transporter carries super fast trains like the Shinkansen. These trains are so fast, they look like rockets on tracks. The transporter makes sure the trains are delivered safely. Imagine riding one of these speedy trains. Whoosh! You're there in no time!
Steam trains.
Choo-choo! Here comes the steam train. This old-fashioned train puffs out clouds of steam as it chugs along the tracks. Imagine hearing its whistle echo through the mountains. Where would you go if you could ride this classic train?
Logging truck.
This logging truck is super strong and carries giant logs from the forest. These logs are used to make furniture, houses, and even toys. Imagine being the driver of this powerful truck, carefully moving the logs to their destination. What would you build with all that wood?
Mini truck.
This mini truck might be small, but it's super handy. It's perfect for carrying small loads like boxes or tools down narrow streets. Imagine decorating it with bright colors and turning it into your own delivery truck. What would you deliver?
Livestock truck.
Look, it's a livestock truck carrying cows, sheep, and even chickens. These animals are on their way to a farm or maybe even a big fair. Imagine hearing all the mooing and baying as the truck rolls by. Which animal would you like to ride with?